Hey there, this is a room tour of the MSC Seashore room 5062. Come with me and I'll show you around. We did something different this time and fun. We put these Scrabble tiles up on our wall and people came around and wrote words. And then there's my infamous cruising through life one port at a time. And then this is room 5062 on the seashore. This is probably one of the smallest rooms I've ever been in. It's real tight between this wall and this wall. We have some hooks here. Here's my famous bathroom bag that I usually leave on the inside door of the bathroom. But this is the first time I'm not cruising with my husband. I'm cruising with another female, and we don't share the bathroom quite the same as I do when it's my husband, so it works more conveniently to have this on the outside. We both got robes from MSC. It's a very, very small and cramped bathroom, but glass doors. I do love glass doors. Pretty typical bathroom. There is some storage in here though compared to others. There's a whole bunch of space down there, a little bit of space there, and the shelves, plenty of space for towels and for hanging stuff up. We have twin beds here. I swear these are more narrow and longer than a typical twin bed. I'm not positive, but based on sleeping experience, I think they're longer and narrow. We moved ours around a little bit. This nightstand thingy was over by our couch and we put it over here between our beds. Closet, not as much closet and storage space as Carnival, but this is what you get on MSC. You get the shelves and then some drawers down here. We couldn't figure this bottom one out. We couldn't make it open. And then hanging space. We took this was our nightstand and we took it out and put it in the closet. We brought our own hooks. This is part of our own hooks, our own laundry. More of our own hooks over there, our own hooks. So we could hang stuff up. The two twin beds. Oh, there's that little nightstand that was in between our beds. We put one of them in our closet. We have a couch that pulls out into a bed, but we never used it as a bed. And then just the typical, there's my calendar that we always use. I always bring on every trip I go on. Our little work area. This is the weirdest window that I've ever had on a ship, that it's so deep. But what I did like though is when we close the curtain, it blocks it completely because it goes all the way across, blocks the whole thing. Refrigerator, they locked it on us for some reason. Oh, we couldn't find this. There is a drawer here with the hair dryer. It's tucked in so flush back there, it's hard to see. But I really think that's about all to tell you in this room. Look how small this is though, like trying to walk through here. And then that's the big mirror. It came in handy, but this is about it. The MSC Seashore room 5062, tiny little cabin, but we had a good time. We made it our home. So I have other videos. I talk about my wall calendar in another video. If you want to know more about that, be sure and check it out. We put down everything that we're doing. I forgot to scratch yesterday out, but this is where we are. And tomorrow we're going home. And then I put all of our information with a hook, a magnetic hook. Anyway, check out my other videos for more fun cruise stuff. Bye-bye.